Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shaila. I'm from Bangladesh and I'm 41 years old. I'm a trained marketing professional and I've been working for almost 20 years. When I heard about Farah's workshop, my reflex was yes, it called to me. And I was making plans to come here and take part in this workshop. And I think this is probably the best decision I've made for myself. I've discovered sides of myself that were confusing earlier, and I've received a lot of clarity. So now I'm much more capable, and I've learned the techniques and ways of how to speak, how to think positively for myself. I'm also a mother of two, so learning all this will definitely have an impact on my children as well, because as a mother, of course, I want the best for my kids. And I can't thank Farah enough for being the best teacher and the best instructor. It's like the universe brought us all together, and it's just been a wonderful experience. I'd like to thank Farah from the bottom of my heart for being my catalyst, and it's been a wonderful experience. I probably don't have the words right now, but this is it. It's been beautiful. It's been soul changing for me. I've learned a lot about myself and what I'm capable of doing thanks to Farah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.